Hello, my name is Molly. Welcome to my channel. Here we do sewing, crafts, and fun. I started going through all of my summer clothes to see what was going to fit for an upcoming vacation, and the answer is not many things. So I thought we'd do a little wardrobe clean out together. Everything is a mess. Gargantuan mess right now, so I'm sorry, but let's get started. This dress I made last summer, and it is actually one of my top favorite things I've made, and I think something that I wear the most out of all of my stuff. Here, I'll try this on. The thing about this is that it's a little oversized, and I think I like that because if my body fluctuates, like, it doesn't matter. The pattern for this originally did call for some darts to be in the front, and I might actually put those in just to give it a little bit more shape. But this is still one of my favorites, so that's definitely gonna stay. This one I got from my mom last year, and I'm not so sure about it. I think she got this from like a relative who was doing a closet clean out, and it's a bit more of a mature. Last summer it definitely was a bit tight on me, but now I think it might fit better. Yeah, see, it's still just a little bit loose through here. It's like a good thing to wear to the office. So I think I will definitely keep this. Okay, this one I'm really excited about. I am definitely going to be making a TikTok altering this because it is too big. I have been having some trouble ordering things online, just figuring out my measurements, but I think we could alter this to make it fit really nice. I'm gonna take this bow off. It does not look like it's on center to me at all. But yeah, I think once we pull this in, it will be serving looks. See, what else do we have? Oh, I'll put this on. We'll do some tops and skirts real quick. This is from Madewell. Put on makeup and then filming these videos is just kind of like, ooh, hope I don't get my lipstick on anything. What do we think about this? Does this look okay? Oh, it is really tight on my chesticle area. I think that's a no. I can find something that's got a similar vibe if I want to stick with this. It's just way too tight. It's not comfortable. And we love comfort. This dress I know I'm going to keep. I'm not going to even try this on. This one I am not sure about, and I'm going to show you why. Hold your horses. Had this shirt for years, yarns. It is from Forever 21 from like 12 years ago or more, back when they actually made clothes that had somewhat good quality. Like this thing, the stitching on this is great. The buttons are made out of like abalone shell. It is a cute blouse. I wear it a lot in the summer. For the longest time, I was like, this is so baggy. But your girl has gotten a little wider. So do we keep? I don't know. Like I wear this so much. I think we keep. There's nothing wrong with it. This skirt I got last year. I don't remember where or when, but I like it a lot. I don't know where that accent came out from. Ooh, is it gonna fit? It's feeling kind of tight. We're gonna find out. Okay, yeah, this is fitting. I think these look kind of cute together. What do you think? Is that cute? Let me know. Some of this stuff is my mom's. If I do let something go, that I'm gonna have to have her look through these first. Okay, oh, this was Kate's originally. I love this print on this green. Let me see if this fits. This is gonna clash with the skirt, but we're just giving it a try. We're just seeing how it looks, so don't worry about it. How are we doing? These sleeves do not adjust. Usually if you have like a spaghetti strap like this, it has the adjustable things on it so that you can make it longer or shorter. I think now with the way my bust is, that this is just sitting a little weirdly. And the bra I have on right now is actually too small as well. So this is gonna be straining a bit. Which is a darn shame because it's cute, but we're keeping things that are comfortable and make us happy, and I'm not feeling too confident. It's gotta go. This I know is not gonna fit, but I am not excited about coming to that conclusion. Yeah, that's already too tight. This is a blouse that I altered from a pair of pajamas like way back in the day. There's a video of it on this channel, and you could watch it, but it's not very good, so maybe don't. Maybe don't. It's way too small. Okay, I gotta let this go. What do you guys do if you can't wear stuff you've made anymore? Oh wow, I've buttoned this really wrong. The collar is way up here. Like, even if this was... I buttoned this so badly. I don't know how to dress myself. Help. Okay, wait. Okay, what do you guys do when you have stuff you've made that doesn't work for you anymore? Like, it's not your style, it doesn't fit you, it's just not working? Because, like, I don't want to get rid of stuff that I spent time sewing, but nobody else in my family is gonna wear this. Like, this is no one else's style. But I'm about to Hulk out of here. I'm just gonna donate it. We're gonna make cuter, better things in the future. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm trying not to be sad. Ooh, we might be in the same boat with this one. This is another converted pajama top. Made a video for this one too. Okay, this one actually does fit, but the question is, would your girl wear it? That's really cute. This one's gonna stay. We're gonna keep this around for another season and see how we do. What else can we try? Oh, I see something that I'm not even sure if I want to try it on. I know it's gonna be too small already. I don't know why my vanity took over in my brain when I was ordering some of these things. Like, this is from Collectif. I've never worn it. I got it on sale at the end of the season, but I bought this being like, I am gonna buy this in the size 8 and then I'll fit it eventually. And you really can't do that. You gotta buy clothes that just fit you in for the now. You should not be sizing down because you think they're gonna fit. Do that when you get to that weight. Like, it's not a big deal. I know I'm always talking about my weight on this channel, but it's because it fluctuates so much and I'm having trouble maintaining a wardrobe that suits my changing body. But I'm not gonna try this on. I don't want to. This is the same one in black, but this is a 12 as opposed to an 8. But the armholes look so tiny. Like, can she? Hey, I'm back. I had to go walk my dogs. Let us return to trying things on. I don't remember what we did last. Let's go with this dress. I wore this a couple of times. Honestly, I didn't find it to be the most flattering thing on me. Let's see how we're doing now. I ended up snagging a lot of clothes from my mom's closet this last year. She was doing clean outs, and then I was like, don't mind if I do. I want to focus more on dressing for my size and my style and wearing things that are gonna make me happy. Now this is fitting well, but do I like it? I gotta go look in this mirror. No, you know, I'm not feeling it. I just am not feeling my best self in this. It's not giving what I require. This is not what I ordered. I need to send it back to the kitchen. Okay, so I'm letting this one go. Patchwork dress, made this last summer. Okay, the lining has come undone in the back, the stitching, so I'm gonna have to figure that out and fix it before I can close this up. But it does fit. It's a little tight, but we're keeping it because it just needs some mending. I need to make a plain dress with this silhouette because this is cute. It looks good. So I need to make something like this that's just one fabric. I wanted to show this to you. I can't put it on because it's too darn small, but it's a vintage dress and I really want to keep it, but I don't want to keep anything that doesn't fit me. I think it's gotta go. Yes, there will be other cute vintage dresses in the future. Here's another one, same issue. This literally like does not cover my sides. Trying to hold it up. But that is okay. Ooh, we're running out of battery and I don't have a backup anymore. So we'll have to film the rest of this later. Goodbye. I got a big pile of stuff here. Oh, you cannot really see it. It's a ton. I think these are mostly my summer clothes, but there's stuff that I definitely do not fit. So I want to take a look and see what can be salvaged from here and what I really don't want to have lingering anymore. Like, okay, this fits. I don't think the shorts will. I gotta try those on. Actually, oh no, that does fit. I was sure I was gonna get rid of this. Okay, I'm keeping this pajama set. That's good. Probably just leave the shorts on because that'll be easier to change in and out of. I'm so torn about some of this stuff. Other things I'm like ready to let go of 100%. That feeling does not come to me very often, so I'm really excited about being able to say, okay, I am done. This I know I'm keeping. I bought this dress last summer and it was so cute. This I know I want to let go of. It is a old collective dress. It's way too small for me. The facing was cut was super, super weird. And it showed all the time, so I would just have this line across my bosom, and that was no good. This dress I made is just like something to do. There wasn't a video, there wasn't a pattern, and that's why there are some issues with it. I'm gonna try it on and see if it fits. It's looking really good. The sleeves are weird. They're just like off the shoulder where they need to be, but I think I look kind of freaking amazing, so we are gonna keep this one. This is another thing that I was sure I was going to get rid of because it was like not a sentimental project. I made this out of a duvet and was 100% ready to be done with it, but I'm actually quite pleased. So that's a keep. It really needs to be ironed. These pants were so cute. I got them for work. They definitely do not fit me. Wow, look at how short those look. I swear, I'll buy things and they literally just look like they're shrinking. Like just disappearing trousers. We're not about that anymore. I'm gonna show you something kind of gross. I'm gonna show you a big old bruise I got. It's getting better. Have you ever played paintball? We went and played paintball for my friend Austin's birthday last week. It's been a full week. I'm still covered in bruises from this, so if you see them, that's what's happening. But look at this. Okay, if you want to see it, stay here. Look at that! It's huge. That's like a 4-inch diameter. Oh, it hurts so bad. I don't think it's my sport. I don't think I'm a paintball girly. But that's okay, because I did have a lot of fun. I was gonna try this one on, but I can't get it over my head. Not my head. My head's not too big for it. My shoulders. So I think, let me show you the piles. Let me put a shirt on and then I'll show you the piles. Okay, I got my unicorn back on. It's time to show you what we're working with. This is my to-go pile from this little chunk. This is my keep. We got the 1 skirt and 3 dresses. And then these are the other things we're figuring out what to do with. And some shoes, and I think I'm going to keep all of those. Yeah, I think I'm going to go through some other stuff now, but I'm not sure if I'm going to film it because I kind of just want to listen to a YouTube video. Maybe I'll put on like a time lapse or something, but I don't want to talk to the camera. No offense, I love you. Okay, bye. Hey fam, I'm sick. I'm sorry that I look so disheveled, but this is going to be the end of the video. The closet clean out was really productive. I think we got rid of something like 7 or 8 bags of random clothes that were not working for me anymore. I wanted to say thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. We're doing videos on Thursdays now, I guess. Be brave and do your best. Thanks so much. Okay, bye.